And he didn't even tell us he got a tuner.
Oh yeah.
He did a tune. He really like 900 horsepower. What's up with it, guys? So we out here on a deserted back alley. It's not in the public area, right? You know, you might see a car here come through, but they just fans. Want to see what we're doing. So we in here, Mr. Organic, he got an advantage. He got a super stock. He got a super stock, so he got them sticky glue tires. So that's gonna be my excuse when I get smoked. That it was the tires. If I don't get smoked, ain't no excuse. He just got smoked.
Ain't no excuse, it's just execution, man.
Yeah, so we just go run it a couple of times, give y'all some good content, and yeah, I'm kind of nervous because I know he got them sticky, them glue stickers. Them ground stickers, and I got the cheap stock Pirellis on there. So you know I got to step my game up. Let's go to the shop after today, get some Toyos on them or something, you know. So we're gonna have some fun. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Share it, like it, subscribe to Mr. Organic, because he's the very motivational, inspirational. You know how we do it, man.
AKA the fertilizer, man. Use my for you to grow, man. You know
Put on that fertilizer.
On the fertilizer, man. Young manure, man.
Is your TC on?
Huh?
Traction on?
Yeah. Oh no, it was off that time. It was off that time.
Back there. That superstar know how to lock. That superstar know how to lock, man. I'm trying to do launch control. I don't know how to do that. I press it, but it goes launch control cancel. So it just, the superstar that sticks to the ground, man, it takes off. That's what it's built for, man. It's a drag race car, brother. You can't lose in this, man. It's impossible, man. Look out.
Oh yeah.
I had to put it on track that time, make sure my traction was on. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah.
Yeah, good job, man. Oh.
He turned into a gargoyle. Big dog, man. Hellcats, midstream, living life in its purest form, man. You know what I'm saying? That was fun. We don't even do this race. We did it just for you guys, man.
Okay, with that super stock, man.
That super stock is built for this, man. Wow. You know what I'm saying? The track radios come in handy, man. It's the difference.
Well,
big body, man. Strong and fast, man. That motherfucker grip and go. You hear me?
And he didn't even tell us he got a tuner.
Oh yeah.
He did a tune.
I'm gonna tell you about the hydrogen and the goddamn nitrogen.
So he really like 900 horsepower.
Shout out to my guy at Full Blown Performance,
Hell
man.
Yeah.
He gonna get my up to 1,000. 807 stop. We're gonna get this up to 1,000.
Oh, you gonna get it up to 1,000?
Yeah, I'm getting it to 1,000. Full blown, man. Get you all the way together, man.
Damn.
That was cool, man. We done tore these streets up.
Oh yeah, that was dope. Much love.
Yeah,
baby.
I like that one when you smoked out.
Oh, yeah, the traction was off.
And I just went reverse that last one before that. I had that reverse. What a fucking idiot I am, man.
Yeah, so we hope y'all enjoy this, man. Hey, tell us what y'all, I know y'all want to see us do donuts or something like that. We got to find a spot.
Time. Yeah, it takes time, man.
But after I get my shit hooked up. I ain't doing none of this with my
be
car.
cruising.
Well, exactly.
Yeah,
Well,
fuck
I
all
don't
that.
know about cruising. Little
Yeah,
zipping.
you gotta
man.
hit it every now and
Little
then.
zipping.
You can't get on everything. You gotta keep it, you know what I'm saying, pretty looking.
Exactly.
But we're gonna have fun with it, man. I know
Yeah.
y'all enjoy it. This is new to me. I know it's new to him,
Yeah.
racing and doing that
Oh,
extra. But hey, y'all like it? We're gonna have more fun with these cars. Man.
Yeah.
That's what they're here for, so. Real.
Exactly. Oh, we out here eating some Wahaba grill. You know, we gotta feed these muscles and feed our brains so we can go ahead and go buy something in a minute, you know.
Damn right. You gotta buy something. I'm gonna buy some big too, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm about to go down.
This is my inspiration right here.
We buying stuff. We living
Sure
life.
damn.
You think I'm gonna get all this money and live this life for somebody else to spend my money?
Exactly.
Y'all can have all
Put it
that.
in stocks.
What about this?
Invest in
Y'all thinking too much.
invest in crypto coin. Y'all buying too many cars, having too much fun.
Right.
That's really what they want to say.
That's all.
And we having too much fun.
If you really making money, you ain't worried about nobody else spending their money. Worry about my money, I mean you ain't got none.
Exactly.
Scat pack. You can tell.
Oh, you know the sound
Yeah, I
of
know different now.
it?
But sauce on that head, boy, that's all.
All right. Damn.
Come on, I mixed the chicken with the meat now.
Oh, you did?
Come on now.
Damn,
Can't just be
you
eating one
know.
little chicken breast, man. You done told him about that, Cal.
He ain't be eating asparagus and them chicken breast think they gonna get big. You ain't gonna never get one
Ever.
on them macro diets.
Yeah, okay.
When we grew up, it was who ate the most calories.
Who ate the most, man? Them the big dudes. I'm gonna come back from the pen. How you get so big? I ate a lot of food. I froze this juice. I drunk this juice. I was freezing that grape juice.
Mm-hmm.
I know. He told me what he did. Listen to my uncle.
But I tell people, so the difference why dudes get bigger in prison is because they do more repetitions.
What's the time?
Well, I mean, I got bigger on the streets
Right.
because of the nutrients or whatever what it was available.
Right.
But that's the only reason that dudes get out bigger from prison.
They got that
More
repetition.
repetition,
That pump,
exactly.
pump, pump, pump. Yeah, every person I seen that was big, it's repetitions. Man.
On the streets, everybody think weight.
Nope.
How much are you doing, not how many. That's why I came up with the saying is whoever do the most reps look the best.
That's a fact.
And that goes with getting money.
Mm-hmm.
Whoever worked the most hours
Yep.
will be the most successful, wealthy. Unless you work a job or something like that.
Right.
And you just doing labor or something. But even then, you gonna have more money than your other co-workers.
Then the other one that's working at McDonald's,
Exactly.
you're gonna be at the fries before you have the restaurant.
Exactly.
Putting that work in.
Yep.
You become a manager, then become an owner. Anybody that put in work,
Exactly.
you're gonna reap the benefits of it over time.
Yep.
I don't give a damn what you're doing, how you do it. And whatever you're doing to that, you're gonna keep escalating.
Exactly.
Dead end job, you're gonna be the best at that dead end job.
Yeah.
Making the most. You know what I mean?
Exactly. Some people content with that.
Oh yeah.
And that's fine, because we need employees. Everybody ain't meant to be a boss.
Right. And that's fine.
Exactly.
Everybody ain't meant to take risks. Everybody ain't meant
Yeah.
to take leaps of faith. Everybody ain't meant to take trips, and that's fine. You don't got to do it. I am. I was meant to fly with the Eagles, man.
Eagles fly with eagles, not seagulls.
That's a fact.
It's just wonderful when, like how me and Big Boy linked up, me and Organic. What I've been noticing lately, like I say, once me and Miles got into this automobile realm, that's when Mr. Organic popped up in my feed. And I was weirded out because I'm like, why ain't Ben do this, motherfucker?
Right.
I would have been hollered at him. He said he hollered at me, and I was
Oh, he went crazy
on my angry.
He was on the live stream. And like I told him, I do the live stream, so I know how you be just going crazy on 1,000 trolls. There might be 2 people coming in with some positive,
Mm-hmm.
and you'll roast them on accident.
Right.
I've done it before plenty of times, man.
Yeah.
So I understand.
Roastable.
I donated there that day like a $25 boom. Hey, I was excited. Like, I'm talking to my dog, Kylie. I'm about to hit 100,000 subscribers. Like, yeah, keep working.
Well,
Yo, you want some handout or something? I'm like, no, I'm gonna tell you, I'm getting to 100,000. I'm excited.
well,
But when you in that mode, I get it. You in that mode, man.
I was gaming.
Mm-hmm. You was actually working out.
Oh yeah, I be turned on that.
Because people asking crazy stuff. I know. I hasn't done.
But look, the universe brought us together.
Oh yeah, California.
Trying to motivate y'all, man. I seen the one dude on your story. He was like, he had to come to LA to just get a feeling of what you a tall guy felt. This is, bro, I don't give a. I've been to Vegas. I'm from Oakland. Lived in. Ain't nothing like LA, bro. I don't. Hey.
Nope.
It's just the energy. When you wake up, you're like, oh, let's get it. Sure. Ain't nowhere in the world like that, bro. That's why everybody in the world want to come to LA.
Yeah.
Everybody we talk about trying to get me to come places. I'm like, why? You want to come where I'm at?
Yeah. Oh, you're looking at $10 million homes. You go to Houston. You see what happened to Houston? When it got cold.
Lights out.
You want me to be there with them?
Right, exactly.
Pay for my big old mansion in the flood, like Slim
Every
Thug.
year that happens.
Every year was some
board up in
flood.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Ice storm. Come on, man. That's why it's cheap. And shout out to everybody in Texas. I love y'all. But I'm in LA, the prime place of the world. Oh, the fires. I ain't going where the fires at. Exactly. If I do, I got fire insurance.
Oh, and then the broke people always talk about how much.
Stop worrying about that. It's not your business.
Oh, the taxes.
So what?
You go, bro, I went to Vegas thinking how everybody talk about it. Like I'm going to save a ton of money. Bro, I had to spend double on the electricity bill. My car insurance went up. I still had to pay bills and taxes for my LLCs. So I don't know what they talk about.
Right.
To a broke month, $500 a month a lot.
Yeah.
Somebody tried to add up how much I pay in cars. They're like, oh, he's gonna go broke. He's paying over $10,000 a month. $10,000. Boy, I was making that at 20 years old.
Come on, man.
If that's some money to you, you definitely broke.
Right.
$10,000 a month.
I ain't worried about that, man. It was a problem, then why would I do it?
They think just YouTube. They think a mother 100% income come from YouTube. They be like, he's making it.
It's no way YouTube is paying for that.
Right.
You're goddamn right it ain't.
Exactly. That's gas money, mother.
You ever seen the commercial? That's all you need to know. Ain't nothing but a commercial, man.
They think all they gotta do is Google me, which some do and they see. But bro, we multifaceted around here.
Oh yeah.
I truly invested in myself.
That's the best.
I don't need a stocks to buy to invest in.
Investing.
I am gonna buy some apartment complexes.
That's my dream too, which is crazy. We got so much in common.
Yeah.
I always wanted, or a big old trailer park. I want to own the whole shit. You come in the gargoyle trailers. You come there. I own all them double wides.
Yeah.
All them me.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Or a whole big old apartment complex.
And now it's so easy. You could just have a management company take
handle
it.
Yeah. I'm trying to tell you, man.
Exactly.
I'm gonna give me an apartment complex. I'm gonna give me a trailer park.
Yeah.
I promise y'all that ain't nothing I ever said I haven't done yet. So hold me to that, people.
Yeah.
Manifest your dreams, people. Whatever you truly think,
that was good.
Speak it, live it. It's gonna come. I promise you.
Yeah.
But make sure you're going after it, not just talking about it.
Exactly.
Go after
and they gotta be good people, though.
Oh yeah.
We didn't get this being bad people. Because you know, when I was doing bad, God was spanking me. The universe was spanking me.
Oh, yeah.
And I wasn't, achieving. I would get it one day, it'd be gone the next.
Well,
I'd be in prison. Everything I did, God would spank me, the universe. So God is not allowing us to do this.
Right.
You know what I mean?
That's a fact.
Being bad people.
The biggest thing you can ever do in this world is inspire people and motivate people. That's the biggest accomplishment any man, any human should have. So that's the reason we're flourishing and being so fruitful, because we're giving those seeds back to people. So we don't have to. Most people don't. But we move in a different energy. We want y'all to get this too and show y'all it's possible. Stop just watching, man. Go live.
Yeah.
And we wouldn't be like this if we wasn't, in God's favor. For real.
Right.
Fact.
That's exactly right. Because some people get successful, but they get sick or something bad happen because it wasn't of God.
Well,
I used to be a demon, bro. I was jack, kick in your door, rob everything. Sell dope, pimp, strip, you name it. Credit card scam, you name it. So I know. Me and this man know. We talking from experience.
Yeah.
Love y'all, man. Don't be jealous. Go save your money and work hard and get you one too. You ready to go buy something?
Let's go buy.
Do it, baby.
Yeah.
For more great videos from Kali Muscle, hit the subscribe button or click the video now.